Aplu Street Flea Market is a very large and famous market in Hong Kong, selling electronics of all kinds, clothing, accessories, and foods including produce, meat, fish, and fruit. It also has an amazing choice of local and traditional Hong Kong restaurants, so you won't have any problem finding delicious food walking these streets. You feel more of the local vibe, and it's a great place to escape the other tourist-filled locations in Hong Kong. The walled city park was built by the British in the 1990s, but before that it was one of the most infamous residential estates the world has ever seen. Nearly home to 40,000 Chinese people living in teetering shanty towers 15 stories high, connected by a network of narrow passages and staircases that never saw daylight, getting its Cantonese nickname, City of Darkness. Kowloon Walled City was infested with gangs, brothels, and opium dens, and neither government wanted to do anything with it. The British eventually relocated all the residents, tore it down, and put this park in its place. For me, knowing a little history about Hong Kong and loving this city so much, it was such an interesting and emotional experience walking through here, knowing what kind of events took place and what kind of history this park had.